What?
Ukrainian paratrooper single-handedly repels Russian reconnaissance assault near Zakitne. A Ukrainian airborne soldier has demonstrated remarkable courage and battlefield discipline after single-handedly stopping a Russian reconnaissance group attempting to infiltrate Ukrainian defensive positions near the settlement of Zakitne. According to Ukrainian military sources, the engagement occurred in the Sloviansk sector, where Russian forces had deployed a three-man reconnaissance and assault team tasked with probing Ukrainian lines and identifying firing positions for future attacks. Standing alone in the path of the advancing enemy was a paratrooper from the 81st Separate Airborne Brigade, part of the Airborne Assault Force's 7th Army Corps. The soldier reportedly maintained strict fire discipline as the Russian troops advanced toward his concealed position. Rather than revealing his location at long range, the defender allowed the reconnaissance group to approach within only a few meters of his trench, relying on concealment and patience to gain a decisive tactical advantage. When the Russian soldiers reached the immediate vicinity of his position, the Ukrainian paratrooper launched a sudden and violent counteraction. He first hurled a grenade into the enemy group before opening fire with his assault rifle at close range. The brief but intense engagement left 2 Russian soldiers dead on the battlefield. A third member of the reconnaissance team sustained multiple shrapnel wounds and retreated from the area. Video footage released by Ukrainian sources reportedly captured the encounter, with accompanying commentary describing the action as a successful defense against an enemy reconnaissance attempt.
What?
Military observers note that small unit engagements such as this remain a defining feature of the fighting across eastern Ukraine, where reconnaissance patrols frequently attempt to identify weak points in defensive lines before larger assaults are launched. The incident highlights the critical role played by individual soldiers operating in forward positions. Through a combination of concealment, tactical patience, and decisive action under pressure, the Ukrainian paratrooper prevented the enemy reconnaissance element from gathering intelligence on Ukrainian positions and halted its advance before it could threaten the defensive line. Ukrainian military officials praised the soldiers' actions as an example of professionalism and determination displayed by airborne troops defending the Donetsk front. As fighting continues across the Sloviansk sector, the engagement near Zakitne serves as another reminder that, even amid large-scale operations, the outcome of frontline battles can often depend on the actions of a single defender. Meanwhile, the Ukrainian Marines from the 34th Brigade have delivered a devastating blow to Russian drone operations in occupied Oleshky, striking a building used as a command and control post for enemy unmanned aerial vehicle operators and killing at least 15 Russian servicemen. According to reports, the targeted structure had served for an extended period as a base from which Russian forces coordinated reconnaissance and strike drone missions against Ukrainian positions along the southern front.
Готово.
The attack was carried out by a swarm of Ukrainian FPV drones at a moment when Russian personnel were actively reinforcing the position. Sources indicate that supplies, fuel, equipment, and newly arrived drone operators were being unloaded at the site when the strike commenced. Footage released by fighters from the 34th Brigade shows multiple precision strikes hitting the building in rapid succession. The concentrated attack triggered a fire in the basement area where a significant number of Russian troops were reportedly located. The resulting blaze and structural damage caused heavy casualties among the occupiers. Some personnel were killed by collapsing debris, while others reportedly suffocated inside the burning structure as smoke and flames spread through the lower levels. Ukrainian sources estimate that 15 Russian servicemen were eliminated during the operation, dealing a substantial setback to enemy UAV capabilities in the area. The scale of the losses was also acknowledged by Russian military propagandist Oleksandr Sheptura, who reported significant casualties among Russian forces following the strike in Oleshky. The operation highlights Ukraine's continued use of Fpv drone swarms to hunt high-value targets behind the front line, particularly command posts, logistics nodes, and UAV control centers that play a critical role in Russian battlefield operations. Combat footage of the strike has been published on the 34th Brigade's Telegram channel, providing a rare glimpse into the growing effectiveness of Ukrainian drone warfare against Russian rear area positions. However, the operators from the 3rd Mechanized Battalion of the 58th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade, named after Hetman Ivan Vyhovsky, have successfully eliminated a Russian serviceman sheltering in a fortified position in the northern Kharkiv region, according to combat footage released online. The strike was carried out using a FPV attack drone, highlighting the growing effectiveness of Ukrainian drone units in countering Russian defensive positions along the front line. The video from operation shows aerial reconnaissance personnel identifying an enemy shelter concealed within a defensive position. After confirming the target, brigade operators guided an FPV drone directly into the structure. The precision strike resulted in the destruction of the shelter and the elimination of the occupying soldier inside. The engagement underscores the increasing vulnerability of Russian troops despite ongoing efforts to strengthen fortifications in occupied and contested areas. Ukrainian forces have repeatedly demonstrated their ability to locate and engage enemy positions using a combination of aerial reconnaissance and precision-guided drone systems. The fighting remains intense in the Kharkiv region, where Ukrainian forces continue to monitor and engage Russian positions, using aerial surveillance assets to detect enemy movements and conduct precision strikes against personnel, equipment, and defensive infrastructure. The released footage serves as another example of how modern drone warfare is reshaping the battlefield, reducing the effectiveness of traditional fortifications and allowing operators to strike targets with unprecedented accuracy.
Армія.